Here we go again, considering the subtraction of fractions with different denominators. And in this particular video, there's one detail that we're not going to deal with that I'm going to mention now. And that is this subtraction with different denominators with no regrouping. There'll be no regrouping involved with these particular problems, which just means it's one less step that we have to deal with. But it also lets you know that very soon you're going to have to deal with subtraction of fractions where you're going to have to regroup. That we'll deal with in a different video. And this is going to help, this video is meant to help you with this page here, subtraction of fractions with different denominators. It is much the same as we've been practicing. We want to rewrite the fraction so that they have the same denominator. That's hopefully is a pattern that you're starting to see more and more. So I'm going to simply use an example like this. 5/6 minus 3/4. Now, one thing we've done all along, in order to be able to add or subtract fractions, we know we must have the same denominator. We can't add, we can't subtract things that are different. That's like trying to say, let's subtract, let's see if I have 5 of these things. 4, 5. There's 5 of these, and if I ask you to take away 3 of these, can I take 3 of these away from 5 of these flowers? 3, I guess they look like pumpkins. Can I take 3 pumpkins away from 5 flowers? No, because they're different. So things have to be changed before I can combine them with adding or subtracting. And one way we've done is we always multiplied one fraction by the other's denominator. So I can multiply this side, top and bottom, by 6. Multiply this top and bottom by 4. When I do that, I have my denominator now is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 24ths minus 18 24ths is going to be 2 24ths. Oh, and look, those are both even, so I can divide top and bottom by 2. And I get 1 over 12, or 1/12. I'm sure some of you saw right away that, hey, I don't have to go all the way to 24. Because 6 and 4 are both have the multiple of 12 in them. So I can change 6 to look like 12, and I can also change 4 to look like 12 using multiplication. So I know 4 times 3 is 12. If I multiply the bottom by 3, I also have to multiply the top by 3. If I multiply 6 by 2 to get 12, I also have to multiply the top by 2, the numerator by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, 5/6 minus 3/4 is the same thing as 10/12 minus 9/12. 10 minus 9 is 1/12. There it is. Hope this helps. You guys go and dominate these problems, remembering the more you practice, the more you build your computational skills. And we've had that other understanding earlier. The more you practice with numbers, the more it builds your fluency. So keep up the good work. Work hard. Practice, practice, practice.